So students, we have Jaykumar with us today who's going to be teaching us 3D geometry. So Jaykumar, what does this topic entail?
This topic entails everything what we face in real life, like say structures, towers, bridges, etc. Everything relates to 3D geometry. To study the dynamics as well as the structural properties of these, we'll have to go into depth into this topic.
Okay, so can you tell us a couple of concepts that we're going to study that a student should always keep in mind? Like what are the places where students mess up?
Okay, at the JEE level, we'll study in detail the line and plane concept, and we'll be just barely touching the sphere concept.
Okay.
So the concepts involved are direction cosines, direction ratios, which actually define the direction of a line.
Okay.
Next is line perpendicularity directions and all. Then plane. Say a plane is perpendicular to a line. Then what all things go on there? What all do we have to do? What all do we have to to frame out everything?
Okay.
We need
so
3D
seems
geometry.
a lot like real life. Very
Yes.
complicated. So tell me this. I have a bit of a question for you. So say I'm on a flight from Mumbai to Delhi to then Kolkata.
Yes.
And then back to Mumbai. As
Yes.
such, right? So now I want to figure out what's the total distance that I've traveled. So how do you think I can just find out based on the standard geometry that we studied? Just take a scale.
Like
or
the 2D
measure-
geometry you're saying.
2D geometry that we
Okay,
studied.
so basically what we used to study was trigonometry, which only involves in 2D. Okay. So now it actually is on a surface of Earth. So it is curved.
Alright.
The triangle is not exactly 2D. Okay, it is somewhat curved. So you need to actually apply 3D geometry by approximating Earth as a sphere.
Okay, so you approximate Earth as a sphere and then you try and solve it. So you're
yes.
telling me that trigonometry is sort of pointless?
No.
Oh, it's not pointless?
No.
Okay, tell me.
Basically, it's the 3D geometry. In 3D geometry, we apply fix a coordinate frame to center of Earth,
Okay.
and then as we know all the 3 points,
Okay.
then we can find angles between them and hence the distances.
Okay, so
So
I'll be able
we
to
can
find
actually
that.
find the curved distances by using that, not by using trigonometry.
Okay, so this is where it's important as such.
Yes.
So let's try and solve some problems about this and let's get more acquainted with the topic.
Yes.